Hi there, I'm Lisa Rana, and thank you so much for joining me for another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about the fall, and I'm loving this new layering stamp set from Unity Stamp Company. I'm using my Misty to make layering up these different stamps super easy, and then adding a bit of hot foiling accents just for a bit of shine. I'm really loving the outline look of the stamp set and then just these blocks of colors that you get from the layering stamps. The stamp set is called Fall Most of All, and there's some fun sentiments to go with that lined pumpkin image as well. I'm starting out with some white cardstock. I believe this is just Nina Solar White, 80 pound, in my Misty in the corner, and I'm just going to stamp that outline image in some VersaFine Clair Pinecone ink. And then I'm going to be using a transparency over my image to help me with lining up these blocks of color. I just lay it down. I kind of eyeball it from the side to line up the stamp around the line image. And then I ink it up just a little bit and then stamp that over the transparency to see where it lines up and if I need to maneuver it, which I did. So I just wipe that away and I'm going to realign one more time, this time looking from the side and kind of lining it up a little bit better. And then I'll just tap that down and see where that image lines up this time. Just a little bit off, so I'm going to lift that up and just kind of tweak it over to the side gently and then wipe away, and we'll test one more time. So that is looking pretty good. I'm going to ink up my stamp just more solidly because I'm not quite sure, so I'm going to stamp that down. And perfect. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to remove the transparency and not move anything else in my Misty. Make sure that it's in the corner. Ink up my stamp really well this time. And then stamp that down. Perfect. And then I'm just going to repeat that process with the rest of the stamps. And I'm also using Gina K ink. For the pumpkin, I use Tranquil Sea. For the leaf, I use Grass Green. And then for the flower petals, I used Sweet Mango. And then for the center, I have Warm Cocoa. Now I love the sentiments in the kit, but I really needed a birthday card, and I love the idea of this teal pumpkin for somebody that has a fall birthday. So I grabbed the So Kind, So Caring, So You sentiment kit, and I'm using the sentiments in there. Warmest wishes today and always, and then the happy birthday block sentiment. I just really liked the way that they looked with the stamps. And then for a little bit of shine, I'm going to add a bit of hot foiling. I have this Spellbinders Modern Lines hot plate in my glimmer system, just laying down my foil so the silver side is facing my my paper. And then I'm just going to run that through my glimmer system and Big Shot die cut machine. And then I added a few accents from the splatter sentiments, hot foil plates from Spellbinders as well. I just really like to kind of bring in the foil from the background to that panel. And here is the peel and reveal. I love this Aura Glimmer hot foil. It's just so pretty. And the lines were the perfect backdrop for this panel. And then I'm just layering everything up, adding my sentiment, making sure that it's straight. And here is the finished card. I just really love how easy the Misty made it to layer up these rubber stamps. I love the fall colors and that pop of color from the teal pumpkin. It was just so perfect for this birthday card. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video on my Dollhouse Designs YouTube channel and blog. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Plus, if you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.